I have to tell you, I have never laid my eyes on a moon so breathtakingly gorgeous, so damn mesmerizing, that it practically set the night sky ablaze with its fiery red and orange hues. I mean, seriously, it's like the universe decided to throw a cosmic party and invited only the most jaw-droppingly stunning celestial bodies. Can you believe it? This moon is not just beautiful. It's an absolute spectacle that leaves you utterly awestruck. What the hell could be more impressive than that? It's the kind of sight that makes you question if you're dreaming or if you've just. I begin with darkness, a deep mix of Payne's gray, black, and a touch of blue, spreading across the sky like the calm before a dream. This dark sky is not empty. It is waiting for light to arrive. Slowly, I blend the edges, softening the darkness, making space for something magical. And then, the heart of the painting is born. A glowing circle of warm yellow, bright orange, and soft white rises behind the forest, like a giant sun, or maybe a mystical moon. This light is alive. It breathes warmth into the cold mist and paints the sky with fire. Every brushstroke becomes softer as the colors blend like a sunset melting into a dream. Now the forest awakens. Using deep black and dark gray, I shape tall pine trees, standing silently on both sides. These trees are like guardians, protecting this glowing secret. Some trees are sharp and close, others fade into the mist, becoming soft silhouettes. This contrast creates depth, a journey from darkness into light. A thin veil of white and gray mist begins to flow across the ground. Soft, gentle, mysterious. It hides parts of the forest and reveals only whispers of what lies beyond. The mist turns the scene into a dream, not fully real, not fully imagined. Below, a quiet river rests, still, like a mirror of the sky. I bring the same orange, yellow, and gold down into the water, reflecting the glowing light above. Then I gently add dark reflections of trees, stretching and blending into the ripples. The water holds the sky, as if the earth itself is remembering the sunset. Tiny touches, final shadows, soft highlights. Every small detail adds life to this silent world. The balance of warm and cool tones, light and shadow, soft and sharp, all come together to create a peaceful, magical place. This is not just a painting. It is a place where time slows down, where the forest breathes, and where light never truly fades. A reminder that even in darkness, there is always a glow waiting to rise. And maybe this glowing horizon exists somewhere just for you.